super stoked with this one. We did pretty good on 2 of them, and 1 of them was a bust. So, but we got rid of it. It's a big sucker. Don't be scared to do those big items. That's where the profits are. So we'll walk through this one. This monster back here is the bust wash. That is what we picked for 650 bucks. We sold it for $9,000. So that was an amazing deal. That was a killer deal. Super stoked about this one. This one is a washer machine. A clothes washing machine is what it is. So we picked this one for $35 from a local auction, and ended up selling this one came from a local auction as well. But we picked this one for $35, and then we sold it for $400, and we used it for 2 years. So this was a washer machine in our house that we used, and then we upgraded to a new washer and dryer. So we sold this bad boy. This was the lemon. This was the bad one, and it was a bowling arcade machine. We picked it for $175 while we were on our road trip across the U.S. We picked that bad boy. Hindsight 2020, I shouldn't have got it. That is a good lesson. When you guys get to an item and it's not as in the condition that you thought it is, you don't have to buy it. I was in another state, so I ended up buying that. I wanted to make the most of it. We didn't lose money. We paid $175 for it. We sold it for $550, but after shipping and my time for creating it, it's just almost like a break even, a wash. So when you get a lemon, make lemonade, get rid of the sucker, and that's what we did. We didn't have this one that long, but I did. I thought I could make a lot more money out of it, and I couldn't. So anyways, it's all part of our flip. Super excited. 3 items for $10,000. Well, I shouldn't say 10. It's $9,900 was our total for these 3 items. All right, guys, I'm Rob with Flea Market Flipper. Super stoked with these 3 bad boys that we flipped. If you guys want to learn a little bit more, we put a workshop together. There's a link below. You guys can click it. Go learn more about Flea Market Flipper, what we actually do. This is why we do what we do. It's because we make the big profits